Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Nev's Garage. Now if this is your first time joining us here, please hit that old subscribe button and also toggle on that bell-shaped alarm button so that you'll be notified when our next video drops. Let's not get carried away though, still got to get through this episode. This time we're going to be taking a second look at my SP Stool. She's broken again, just like everything in your life that you love. It's dead set trying to kill me, I think. Let's face it, it's probably my fault. I do lean on it harder than Bill Cosby had an intern. So what are you going to do? Let's fix her up. Alright, so you'll see here where she's busted. Take that trim ring off. See around this weld here. Right. Just busted around that weld. Similar thing happened to the top, remember? When we had to fix it before. If you haven't seen that, pop on over to that video, check that out. So I'm going to do something pretty similar to this one, right? Now I ain't going to weld at this gas strut, right? Because it go bang, and I ain't ready to meet Amy Winehouse yet. So what we're going to do, we're going to disassemble it, knock this foot off, put some gussets on it, knock it back together. She's going to be right as rain. Let's get into it. There she is, got the flange off, right? So really all I've got to do now is just rip the chrome off her. I'm going to weld, make it some gussets, stitch them on, and we're good to go. Alright, so here's the gussets. Just cut them out of an old mounting bracket off a weightlifting bench. And they're just going to sit in here. They're just got to sit in here like this. 4 of them around there. Stitch them on. Run a bead around where it's all cracked. And she's going to be apples. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so she's all welded now. Now I'm going to go and cool it and clean it and see how she came up. Oh, there she is. Really quickly despattered, just brushed. She came up pretty good. She came up pretty good. Not bad for a rough job. Let's give her a quick coat of paint. Doesn't look bad for a quickie, eh? It's like the bottom of a rocket. Alright, cool. Let's put the chair back together, eh? Pin back on here. check these two while we're at it, eh? Cool, that's the base done. Now let's flip the chair on. Yep, cool. Alright guys, check it out, she's all finished. Hey, look at that. Not too bad. So thanks for tuning in to this episode here at Nev's Garage. Hope you enjoyed it. Please head on over to our socials at Gossa Media, like and follow us there, and also subscribe to us here on our channel. That way you'll know when the next video comes out. Until then though, thank you for liking and sharing, and we'll see you next time on Nev's Garage.